my name is Alan Satekin. Today I'm gonna show and explain my EE2 one two-term project. On this project, I tried to recreate the Google Chrome's dinosaur game. This game appears when there's no internet on the Chrome. As you know that there's a dinosaur on that game, and there are some obstacles that slides down toward the dinosaur. Whether it can appear at the top of the game or the bottom of the game. So the main goal is to jump, whether jump from that obstacle or bend down to avoid that obstacle. So I tried to recreate that game. Let me show you how it works. So there is the game. I use one LCD and one switch that uses only one axis. So I use the LCD special characters by just filling each LEDs by hand, and I create the dinosaur character by my hand, and there are, as you can see, there are some obstacles appear at the right side of the LCD and slides down to the left side of the LCD. And there's at the right top of the LCD there's a scoreboard. Let me show you, when you jump from that obstacle, the scoreboard increases. Oh, now I crashed. So and by the way, I add interrupt service routine by using the button of the switch. So when you click on that button, the game pauses, the game interrupts and pauses. So when you re-click that button, you can continue to the game. So as you can see, there's a dinosaur, and when I move the switch up, the dinosaur jumps, and when I again move the switch up, the dinosaur jumps. Okay, and each and every success, the game speeds up to make it harder. Obstacle can appear randomly, whether it can appear at the top of at the first row of the LCD or second row, the bottom row of the LCD. Now I crashed, so the game stops and it says game's over. And I also use the analog to DC converter to convert to the signals that's coming from the joystick, and the analog signals comes into the board, and it's converted into DC format to detect whether I'm bending down or jumping from obstacles. So okay, to conclude the project, mainly I used two important topic of the C and R course. The first one is analog to DC converter, and the second one is interrupt service routine. So I used to detect I used to convert the coming signals from joystick by using analog to DC converter, and to pause the game, and when the character crash with the obstacle, there's some interrupt routine. So I use interrupt routine to main things. One happens when the character crash with the obstacle, and the other one is when you click the button of the switch, and again the interrupt service routine starts running. This is all my project, so thank you for listening. Stay active until the next videos.